Businesses today are complex, fast-moving, and highly connected. CISOs have more to protect and more to keep in compliance with than ever before. Cyber criminals see each connection point as an opportunity for attack. It only takes one vulnerability for business to stop. Avertium offers a stronger, smarter approach to cybersecurity. One that's built on more rigor, more relevance, and more responsiveness. To start, we use industry-leading frameworks to benchmark customer policies, procedures, and environment, then assign a maturity score and develop a security roadmap to level up their security posture based on risk and priorities. Customers can take advantage of Avertium's full spectrum of cybersecurity services, from assessments to monitoring, detection and response, to governance and compliance, to augment their security programs. More than 2,500 customers across the country rely on us for this show-no-weakness approach to cybersecurity. With our experts at your side, you can be confident your business will get the attention it deserves and a security plan tailored to your unique risk threshold and priorities. Our mission is to make your world a safer place to do business. Together, we can conquer the threats of tomorrow, today.